Connect RS232 cable, camera cable, and encryption dongle. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. Double-click to open the hardness tester software. Click on the camera icon and then click on the hardness tester icon. Click the up and down arrows to raise and lower the workbench until a clear surface is found. Select the corresponding kilogram force and click the Start button on the screen. The hardness tester automatically enters loading, holding, and unloading modes. After unloading is completed, the indentation can be seen on the screen. Click the Measure button and enter the hardness value of the standard block in the pop-up box. Click the OK button. Then after completing the indentation, directly click the Measure button to read the hardness value on the screen.